Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this animated highlighter like you see on the screen right now. Something I use when I do my tutorials. As usual, go to the media pool, right click, new Fusion comp. You can name it if you want, but you don't have to. And leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it'll be on the screen. Get a background. Plug it into the media out. And you should now have a black screen. Turn the alpha all the way down. Go to one viewer. Get an ellipse. Another background. I'm going to make that background red. You can choose any color. Merge them together. And select the ellipse. Uncheck the solid. I'm going to set my default border width to 0.002. We're going to connect the width to the height so it stays symmetrical. Use an expression. Right click on the width. Expression. Grab the pick whip from the plus sign, carry it over the height, and let go. I'm going to set my default size to 0.2. Set the length to 0.12. Now these are all just default settings. You'll have these options in the macro. Put your playhead at frame 0. Select the ellipse. Set a keyframe on the angle. I am on a 30 FPS. You may have to adjust accordingly. I'm going to advance to frame 25. And set the angle to 180. Open your spline. If it's in the way of your spline window, little button up here says shrink. Select the angle. Zoom to fit. Select all. And set relative. Set the relative allows you to stretch as long as you want on the timeline, and it'll keep animating. If you click away, scrub the playhead, make sure that keeps animating all the way through the timeline. Highlight these, right click, copy, click away, and paste instance. If you don't know what an instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you've taken it off from. If you change the value in one, it'll change it in both, unless you de-instance it, basically decoupling them so they don't work as one anymore. They'll be independent. Merge that into the merge, and select the instance. Go to the position, right click, and de-instance. We're going to take this one to 0.25. If you click away and look in the viewer, and actually if you go to these three dots, uncheck the checker underlay, and you can see it a lot better. Highlight both these, right click, copy, click away, and paste another instance. And select that instance, right click on the position, and de-instance. We're going to set that one on 0.5. I'm going to click away, that way you can see what it does in the viewer. Now highlight these ones, right click, copy, and paste another instance. And select that instance, right click on the position, and de-instance. Now we'll set that one on 0.75. And if you click away, you can look in your viewer and now you have all four evenly spaced out. Let's rename this background to color. Okay, click away. Hold the control button down. Select these in the order that I do. Then hit A on the keyboard. Then hold the control button down. Deselect the media out. Right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. On border width, delete that and put line thickness. And we're going to limit how thin and how thick we make the line to 0.002 is what we set it at for default. I'm going to make that the minimum, and the maximum, I'm going to go 0.01. On length, put line in front of length. On height, delete that and put in size. Color, go to File, Save as Group. It takes you to Macros, go to Fusion instead, Templates, Edit, Generators. Here is where you're going to make your folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name it exactly the same or Resolve won't recognize it. Hit Save, and we'll go find it. And if you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. This is the one we just made. And if you click on it, resize, thickness, that's as thick as you can make it, line length, coordinates, and color. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.